Good morning. In a small town, there was a farmer who sold 1 kilo of butter to a baker. Now, one day, the baker decided to weigh the 1 kilo of butter that was sold to him by the farmer. He weighed it on a scale and he discovered that it's not 1 kilogram. So he was very angry and upset that he decided to take him to the judge. So the judge asked him, "Why did you cheat on the 1 kilo of butter to the baker?" The farmer replied, "I'm primitive and I'm illiterate. I don't read and write. But before I sell him butter, I used to buy bread from him, and I have a scale, but I don't know the numbers on the scale because I don't know how to read and write. We agreed to sell me 1 kilo of bread. So every time he brings me the bread, I give him on the scale the same amount of butter. If he's upset or angry now, that is because the amount that he gives me is not equal to the amount that I give him." The moral of the story is, you get in life what you give to people. Thank you very much.